Alright, I'm gonna do another video. My first video is WD-40, so I'm gonna use PB Blaster, which is better than WD-40, to me personally, depending on what experience you got. You spray it. Let's see if this works. So the WD-40 one is over here. This is pretty good. This one, nothing hasn't been done to it, so I kind of see the residue. So let's wipe it. Don't look too bad. Actually look better than what it did the first time with the other guy. The WD-40. That's pretty good. So let's fold it, wipe it down some, and go from there. So see how that go. Like, subscribe, comment, tell me what you think. This is the WD-40, and this is the PB Blaster. The PB Blaster look better though, but just let me know.